Sa kami channel, business guys. So ngayon guys, off mo yan. Off mo yan, off. Yeah guys, ngayon nandito tayo sa Davao na pangako sa'yo, di ba? Pupunta kami sa The Royal Mandaya Hotel. Kaya guys, nandito na kami. Kaya, ito guys, kaya pupunta tayo sa mga, itutur natin yung mga room nila. Mga pinsan. Ito yung sa amin, 709. Si Larva nag-iyak. Hindi ko alam bakit nag-iyak. Kaya guys, parehas kami kanina nag-vlog. Ayoko. So, let's go now. Lakisha, let's go now. Let's go. And guys, nakalimutan ko pala. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. And huwag nyo nakalimutan i-subscribe ang channel nila, Lakisha and Chloe in Wonderland Family. And huwag nyo nakalimutan i-subscribe ang channel nila, Casey and Rachel in Wonderland Family, and nila Lakisha Daniels channel. So guys, huwag niyo kalimutan subscribe, kaya i-subscribe nyo na yan. Ito yung elevator na dinaanan namin papunta dito. Kapag gusto nyo makita ko, dito na kami sa Davao. At pumitain nyo lang yung hotel na Davao sa The Royal Mandaya Hotel. Yun, and puntaan mo kami sa 7th floor, and ako sa 709 kami. Ay, hindi sa may pool. Makikita nyo ba? Hindi ko alam kung makikita. Sinanda. Kainit tayo.
Ako, TV ka po to, John?
Ha?
TV? Di kami ko TV pa.
Hindi gani kami balaan.
Hindi ko budlay mo.
Hi. Hi, it's me. May sarap.
Wala sa kanya. Di kami ka barong mo sa TV. Kanina, ginto.
Ito kami, Lara. Say hi. Say hi. 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 Say hi. Say hi lang muna. Hi. Hi.
Kasi ma.
Okay, let's go guys. Pupunta tayo sa room namin. Kanalay lula nga room. 705? Oo.
Dumay baho na.
Say hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Hindi pa na kami yan. Ito tayo namin kayo dito. So ngayon guys, nandito tayo sa CR. Sa CR kung saan may yung bathtub. Yan, so ngayon guys, itutuwa namin kayo sa aming channel. Sa aming first is ito. Hindi pa rin po makikita. Shipag-drive ka. And sabon. And the Royal Mandaya Hotel. Ito. Yeah. Yan, may isa pa. And ito yung yan, ito yung may glasses. Hindi ko lang kung may toothbrush ba dito. And some ito. And some bathtub. Yeah. There. Hey, Daddy! Oh, kablo ka lagi mag-open.
Rosario answered back with a corner triple, followed by a Jason
Hindi pa na.
Ha?
Let's
go, guys. Dito tayo sa... Kasi samahan niyo ko i-arrange ang aking damit.
Lang lahat ang gagaling. Sobrang hirap alunin. May tumor ka pa. Kailangan mo dubolin. So,
As long as, sabi nga ni Coach palagi, as long as stick on tayo sa game plan, kahit anong mangyari.
Even with the way
Yeah, so,
TNT had
bababay na yan,
players
nabi.
and celebrate as they prepare for Wednesday's battle. As for
So,
Senegal
let's
head coach Leo
go-
Austria,
let's
he
go
says
to
they
arrange
have
our-
a premium on defense.
And it seems na those players from San Miguel na lipat doon, nagigil up na yung mga plays namin.
Ito
Kasi
yung
sabi ko,
aming-
sabi nila ginagawa nila.
ito ang
But,
aking bed.
I have to describe the defense. And definitely,
Hindi ko alam kung
we have to adjust.
baka
We're
mamaya
number
pa
one
tayo
offense,
mag-arrange ng
when it comes to
ano natin
percentage.
kasi
But today, we have
there
to
was a
play,
ball game.
defense for us to win the game.
The winner will be facing the top-seeded Phoenix Fuel Masters in the
Bang!
semifinals.
Payaya!
Willie Berzosa, CNN.
And speaking of the top
Ito
seeded
naman
Phoenix
yung
Fuel
ating
Masters, we now
upuan.
have on the line Phoenix head coach
Thank you, boy.
Louie S. Good morning, Coach Louie.
And for,
Good morning, Andre. Good morning sa lahat ng viewers.
Maraming salamat, Coach, for taking the call and congratulations for getting that
Live.
number one spot and also for winning a
are.
statement win for you in the quarterfinals as the number one seed. Talagang pinrotektahan nyo yung twice a week advantage. You easily dispose of Alaska.
No, anak, that's dirty.
That propelled Phoenix for its first semifinals appearance in franchise history. Alam natin, medyo nabigo kayo ng
Okay,
siyempre
guys,
buhay
arrange
doon.
tayo
And
na.
now, here you are.
Maybe it's a
Motivated.
game, which is-
And wala talaga motivated yung
Mm,
players.
say hi to
Coach.
my channel
You're now playing
naman.
for your semis opponent.
yeah.
It's like
Hey,
picking
Pupo.
your poison here. The five seeking San Miguel Beerman.
Hey, Pupo!
Dangerous
Hey, Pupo! Hey, Pupo! Hey, Pupo!
Anong poison yung bibiliin mo? Ay, San Miguel. Beerman.
Pwede ba ang kari? Ayaw namin pagiging talaga kasi. Hindi ko po mag-ibig.
Hi, baby Turdy! So, guys,
Oh, ano na drink mo nga ba yung
so, wait lang ma. So, guys, thank you for watching my video. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and channel, guys. Pero guys, may part 2 dito. May part 1 lang to. Kaya part 2 naman tayo mamaya. Bye, guys!